Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today in the kitchen we're making sweet potato cheesecake. If you enjoy this video, don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. First off, we're going to start with 2 pounds of sweet potatoes. We're going to bake on 350 for 1 hour. While the potatoes are baking, let's start on our crust. Grab you 22 graham crackers. I'm using a food processor to crush it, but do it however you please. We're going to pour that into a bowl. Add 1/4 cup of melted salted butter and then 1/4 cup of granulated sugar. We're going to stir that together and that's going to be our crust. After we mixed all of our crust together, grab you a 9-inch springform pan. I put some parchment paper at the bottom so that the cake doesn't stick to the pan. And I'm going to go ahead and add all of my crust in there. And we're going to press down with our glove. And then once it's all on the bottom, we're going to take a measuring cup and we're going to push to the side. I found that using a measuring cup gives you that nice packed high crust that everyone loves. And I just like that because then using your hands, it'll crumble and fall apart. Once you have your crust together, put that in the oven on 350 for 10 minutes. While the crust is baking, let's go ahead and go onto our potatoes. We're going to go ahead, the skin should peel right off if you put them in the oven for 1 hour. I'm assuming you can go ahead and boil them as well. After you get these all peeled, I'm going to go ahead and dice them into smaller parts. And I ended up using a bowl with a potato masher. I wish I could have used my food processor, but it wasn't big enough. So if you do have a big food processor, use that. It'll be much easier. By now your crust should be ready out of the oven. Go ahead, set that to the side and move on to our cream cheese mixture. So we're going to go ahead and add 3 8-ounce package of room temperature cream cheese and we're going to blend that until smooth. Once that's smooth, we're going to go ahead and add 1 cup gradually of granulated sugar. After you mix your cream cheese and your sugar together, let's go ahead and add our 3 large eggs. Add them one by one, mixing through. Make sure you scrape down your edges. Once you mixed in your eggs, let's go ahead and grab our pumpkin pie spice and vanilla extract and add 1.5 teaspoons of pumpkin spice and 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract. Once all of your spices are added, let's go ahead and add our 1/4 cup of heavy whipping cream. Lastly, we're going to take our 2 cups of sweet potato puree and add that to the bowl and mix until incorporated. As I said before, I had to use a masher to mash the potatoes, and it would be so much better if you have a food processor because it gets it really down fine. Mine still had chunks in it and you'll see that. Once your potatoes are mixed in with your cheesecake batter, we're going to go ahead and add that to our prepared graham cracker crust. Now I'm going to go ahead and grab some aluminum foil. I used 3 sheets and I'm going to add that to the bottom of my springform pan. This is to ensure that no water from the water bath gets into the pan. Here I'm showing you I grabbed a pan that was larger than my 9-inch springform pan. I filled it up with boiling water halfway and then placed my springform pan with the cheesecake mixture in the middle. Bake your cheesecake in the water bath on 350 for 1 hour. After it's reached an hour, turn off the oven and leave in the oven with the door open for 1 hour. After you let it cool in the oven for 1 hour, take it out of the oven and place it on a cooling rack and let completely cool. After your cheesecake completely cools, grab some aluminum foil and cover and refrigerate overnight or for 8 hours. This is the next morning. I took out of the refrigerator, popped the sides off of the springform pan, and now I'm going to show you what it looks like. The crust is all the way to the top. It's not breaking apart, and I'm going to show you what it looks on the inside as I cut it. As you can see, it didn't fall apart, and you can see here it's rich, thick, and really creamy. Thought it was pretty cool that you can see the sweet potato pieces in it, but again, next time I'm going to use a food processor so that it blends completely through. Please don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Let me know in the comments if you ended up making this or you have a different recipe that you recommend.